So my dog, he ain't too happy. He's being held in the vehicle against his goodwill. We're out here in the desert, and check out what's up in here. Nice big bird of prey. Charlie's not too happy. You can see him right there in the nest. Oh, there he goes, a big old hawk. Awesome. Oh, he's not too happy with me right now. Not too happy. Charlie not happy, the hawk's not happy. Here's another one, the mate to it, flying around up above here. Isn't that cool though? And just so you know what it's like out here in the desert, you see the jumping cholla? Yeah, that will stick on you. It is sticky, sticky, guys. Now it's on this one and this one. That's the way the desert is. Everything's got a sticker on it out here. These are called jumping cactus or cholla. And let me tell you, it's named appropriately. Anyway, that's that big old nest. Really awesome. Nice big nest. That's a big saguaro. Look at the base on that thing. Anyway, guys, how cool is that, right? Desert life. And this is called the fruit of the cholla. You see them here. These things are so prickly you can't touch them. And what happens is, like last year's pods, they're so covered in stickers, and then you'll get a rain the next year and then they drop off on the ground. And then what happens is there's a certain percentage of these might root. It's a low percentage, but there is a certain percentage of these things will take off again. As you can see, they're very prolific here in the desert. I don't like them, but I guess they got a purpose out here. All right, catch you later. That is a big old saguaro. The hawk's flying around in the background. He's not too happy with me.